Nau mai mai ki te hui akara a ngāra tuparanga. E tū mo te waiata o te... Oh. Tua ki te rangi, tua ki te whenua, tua ki te ngātau o ngā tangata. Kia te mea nui, kia te ara, te au a Māori ora. Ko kapai te maunga, ko waikare te maunga awa, ko ngā tuki matu whorua, tōku waka, ko witi tōku tūpuna, ko ngā pui tōku iwi, ko te kapotai tōku hapu, ko te turuki tōku marae, ko te aranga o te pā te whare tūpuna, ko te huihuinga te whare nui, ko te aroha te whare kai, ko kawa tuku kara, ko Lakita tuku ingoa whānau, ko William tōku papa, ko Shine tuku māma, ko Manaki Takataina, ko Ellen John Ho. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Nau mai, haere mai ki te hui akara o Ngāra Tuparanga.
Welcome to NRT Assembly. We have been learning about good vocabulary as well as alliterations. Here are some silly sentences we made up using alliterations.
Okay, who's reading our sentences?
No.
I'm not. Who's reading our sentences?
Vincent, Paya, Falila.
Paramai Kalila.
Very good.
Vincent.
And if our people are away, you can read it. Okay. Read the first two, please, Bella. This way. Big voice.
10 tomatoes were tickling Tom's toes. 6 nails were sliding in the sand.
And the next two. And the next two. And the next two.
10 toilets tripped over the turkey. 4 foxes flew through the forest.
Tanaka tasted Tuesday. 3 thumbs was thinking about Thursday. I know this.
Yes. Nibbling.
Nibbling. Yes. 550 bands. 8 fish. One weekly room. 1 watch. 8 aliens. 8. All the apes.
We can't give out the certificates, but we can announce who the certificate winners for this week are. Starting with the juniors. Ingara Rito Kieran Thompson and Sammy Halia. Room 16, Elizabeth and Manihira.
Because
Ingara Tupiranga Jordan and Kaiser.
The medal certificates this week goes to, in room 12, Skylar Rose Rihari and Gabriel Wyoming Ashby. Ngaraipua, Kiani Bristow, and Kyan Davis. And at room 1, Ratu Medicine and Taroi Ngatai.
Okay, where are we up to?
A few weeks ago, we went to the Wakaka to learn about being safe in the water. Here are some story of the stories that we wrote.
Okay, who's reading us this story?
Me.
Okay, big voice.
We went to the Wakaka and we learned about ribs. When it was lunch, we got changed into our clogs and we walked down to the beach. We went to the Wakaka beach and I was swimming on a boogie board and I was happy. Switch on.
At the Wakaka beach, we went in the cold water and it was shallow. We were swimming at the beach. We played games too. We went deep in the water and it was warm. We surfed on the boogie board. We went to the Wakaka and we played in the salty sea.
Yesterday at Wakaka.
And
We went on the boogie board. We went on the boogie board. Switching variant.
Yesterday I went to Wakaka and had a swim in the shallow water. Did you show it?
What big?
Kia ora guys. Sorry we all over the place at the moment, but what we're going to do now are our court bean goods. So if you are lucky enough to get a court bean good today, we'll bring your certificate to you and then you can go up and see Fire Jen after morning tea. So for this week we have Ella Jane Gray for showing kindness to someone who was upset, Maya Andrews for keeping our new playground tidy. We have Izzy Marsh for being kind and helpful towards other students. Kingston Hutty for participating well in class lessons and sharing his ideas confidently. Kieran Thompson, a positive attitude in assembly practice. Shania Singh, for helping others to understand the tricky systemic poems. Make sure you're listening. For Falila, a positive attitude and participation in assembly and school taumata. And William's going to go and sit down now because he's finished being our entertainment for now. And Strickland Rihari for being helpful in Ngaro Takuranga. So, homai te paki paki for those people. Thank you.
I look at Elliot.
Okay. So, William.
Go on. Like everyone else, we have been talking lots about the 3 R's: respect, responsibility, and resilience. This is what we think they look like.
Okay, get ready. Get your props ready. Right, be where you need to be. Get your book bags out. And you're going to have to use loud voices. William, be where you need to be. Right, are you ready? And you should be over here now. And you need to be sort of towards the back a little bit. So big voice, you two boys. Big voice. Say your line and then you'll move to the side. Couple? Off you go.
Respect is being kind. Want to come play? Yes.
Next line. Big voice.
Respect is using your manners.
Manaya, darling, come back. Big voice.
Respect is using your manners. Can I please use that? Yeah.
Come on, boys. Next one. Open up, Manaya.
Respect is waiting your turn.
Come on. Respect is waiting your turn. If somebody is away, just somebody else jump in. It's fine.
Can I have a turn when you guys are finished? Can I have a turn when you guys are finished? Yeah. Respect is joining the back of the line. Respect is using the Being responsible is looking after equipment. Being responsible is putting it away when you're finished. responsible is bringing your book bag in before school. Being responsible is not touching stuff that aren't yours.
Resilience.
Resilience is always trying your best. I'm tired. Tell me. Resilience is having another day of a sound. 2 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Resilience is ignoring mean words. Hi, you little cat! What you say?
Bella. Okay, back to your seats. Thank you, guys.
I was so loud on that point.
Back to your seats. 5, 4, 3, 2, and nice and quiet. Parama, Bella.
This one?
We are up to senior certificates. Just waiting for Ngaro Tipuranga to be quiet. Okay, big voice, nice and clear.
The senior certificates for the week. Ngaro Rangatira, Kyle Mansell, and Manawara Cash. Room 5, Te Waipuke, Tohu, and Gymnasia, Mahanga, Totari. Room 6, Raika, Tiffania, and Thomas Sue. Well done to all the certificates. Recipients this week.
If you were coping good, we will send your certificates to your class and you can take it to Fire Gen after morning tea to choose your book. We would love to hear from you about our assembly. You can email our teacher. We have sent your teacher 2 links so you can watch our movies. Ko te tūmanako I pai tō tātou nei hui akura.
Thanks for watching our assembly.
Come in. And we're going to say
Bye.